This video is in partnership with H&R Block.
Hi guys, welcome back to a vlog. I think this is just going to be a one-day vlog because we have a lot of things to do. I just figured I would come on here and create some content since we are all in the house and need something to watch. So this will just be obviously stay at home with me, what I do in a day type of vlog. I woke up a little bit ago. I've already had my coffee because I was struggling. And I have a few things to do today. First, I need to clean up because the kitchen is a state. Like, it's actually embarrassing, but I'm going to show you anyway. We'll do a little speed clean. What else do I need to do? I need to film a video. I need to film spring essentials, so I'll show you like behind the scenes of that. I'm going to show you my no makeup look. A lot of you guys requested that on the last video, so we will do that together. I need to do my taxes, and I think that's it. The gym is closed. Orange Theory is closed. The gym in my apartment is closed, and I understand why, but I need to move my body, so we might go for a run later. Like, I need to do something besides yoga because we still have goals, so I'll keep you posted. But let's get started. Let's clean first. And I'm wearing a little sweatsuit from Target. I'll show you. It's really cute and very soft. And we'll get to cleaning. I may need another coffee. I don't know. But good morning. Happy Thursday. And here is my little jumpsuit. It's super cute. Little ombre effect. I just tucked the front in. But it's so soft on the inside. Very cozy. So, let's go clean. I'm sitting at my desk, and next we are going to do taxes. Well, not actually do them. So this part of the video is sponsored by H&R Block. Thank you so much. And I'm sharing with you guys their Tax Pro. So basically, I always do my own taxes every year. But this year is a little tricky because this is like the first year that I am I have my blogging income, and I also have my old Target income because I left that job in April of 2019. So when they reached out, I was thrilled because basically I don't have to do them. There's a professional that you send them to. So I actually uploaded everything on Monday. Yeah, on Monday. So I'll show you a quick little clip of that. It was super easy. I have like a ton of like from all the brands I worked with, all of the tax forms from them. So I uploaded all of those, and then I uploaded my W-2 from Target, and they emailed me and let me know, like, well, my tax professional, they choose one that's like local in your area. You can do it through the internet like I did. But she emailed me and said like she received all my documents. She was going to start working on them. So I just want to like quickly go into the system and see if they're done. Actually, I think I got an email that said they are done, and I can look at them and approve it, and then like have them sent off, and basically it's done. And I'm pretty surprised that it's that easy. But I want to show you a quick clip of like me uploading them so you can see like how easy it was, and then we'll go in and check and approve them. But yeah, very excited to be partnering with H&R Block. I'm going to share more information also on my Instagram and my stories, but I wanted to share here as well if you still need to do your taxes And if you have anything they have different like levels. I got the most like for the most complicated one because I knew mine was going to be a lot. But they have all different price points. But I really like the idea of an actual person. Like she had a few questions, and you can ask to get text messages or emails. Like they can message you through the system, and we just like went back and forth. I answered. It was so easy, and I didn't have to go anywhere. So I did that Monday, and all week I've been like purging my closet, cleaning up, you know, getting ready for the Rona, buying groceries, and not having to deal with tax stuff. So let me stop rambling. I'll quickly show you the clip of me uploading everything, and then we'll check and see my taxes and approve them. Okay, so you just saw the clips of me like uploading, taking the pictures and uploading everything, and also me like approving and submitting everything. So yeah, so I'm done. I just had to quickly just look through everything and make sure she got all the documents that I sent. That was my main concern, making sure that like I pay the tax I have to pay, but that everything is accounted for so that I have the right amount. So they did the state and federal, and those were sent off and approved, and I'm done. Yeah, again, if you still need to do your taxes, check out H&R Block Tax Pro Go, where you get a professional. You don't have to worry about it. And if there's any issues, like once taxes are done, they also will like help you sort that out as well. So again, I like having a person that I don't have to worry about, and I don't have to worry about messing it up myself. So now that we're done with taxes or follow-up with taxes, we need to film. I'm gonna film spring essentials. I'm also gonna film some TikToks today. Follow me on TikTok if you haven't. I feel like I'm finally getting it. I know it only took like a year, but honestly I haven't even been on it since probably like November. In the past 2 weeks I've committed to trying to upload every day, like at least like 1 TikTok, 2 TikToks. But I feel like I've finally like found my groove. I learned a little more like how to work the system, like how to actually create videos in the platform. So we're gonna do at least 2 TikToks today, just like some fashion-y ones. That's basically all I do. And is that it? And then we're gonna go for a run. Josh just went, he had to go into work for like something specific. He was working from home today, but he had to run to work to grab something. And then we're gonna go for a run later, and then cook dinner. We have so much food. We've never had so much food, like, ever. So we're gonna cook dinner. Okay, that's enough rambling. Let's film. All right, now I'm going to show you the no makeup look. It's pretty quick. I only use maybe 4 things. Depending on the type of brows you have, you may not need to do your brows at all. I clearly have none, so that is a major key for me, whether I'm wearing a full face or not. The only difference is if I'm wearing a full face, I will kind of clean it up with concealer. But for no makeup look, I don't, because that would just look too dramatic for such a simple face. So I use Benefit Brow Products, the My Brow Pencil, Precisely My Brow Pencil, which is the skinnier one, in shade 4.5. Because it's so sharp and detailed, I get a lighter color, so it's not too harsh. And then I use the Goof Proof Brow Pencil, which is the thicker one, and I use that in 6, which is the darkest color. And I use my NARS concealer still. I just use less, and I just focus it like right under my eyes and a little bit around my mouth. let me get it and show it to you. And then I usually won't use primer either for this no makeup look, but of course you can. I still love the Strivectin primer, the Line Blur Factor primer. They have one for under the eyes and for the face. I also just grabbed this Milk Hydro Grip. Everyone talks about this, and they had a travel size one at Sephora, so I'm gonna be trying this. I'll let you know if I like it. But yeah, here are my concealers that we're gonna use today. I use Hazelnut and Amande. I just need both. One, I can't do one without the other. One is closer to my skin tone, but then the lighter one has more yellow undertones, which I have. So it gives me the like brightness that I need, but matches my skin better, if that makes, or matches my undertone better. So use both of those. And I think that's it. Depending on how my skin is looking, I may use this Black Radiance. Looks like this. It's a foundation stick, and it's the color of my skin. So depending, I may use this just around my mouth. But I'm going to do it without it today just to show you, because the last time you saw me, I didn't use this. I just had the concealer and my brows. Oh, and the last thing, I do like to have a little glow. And I use this. I think it's discontinued. It's from Target, the Sonia Kashuk. I don't think she even sells makeup anymore. I think she only sells like utensils, like makeup brushes and stuff like that. But any kind of like glow stick. It's like a highlighter, but it's just like a stick kind of. So any cream-based product is why I like to use it, because it looks more natural and just gives me a glow. So this is all we're going to use today, and I will, of course, zoom you in. I've already been talking for 3 minutes. Okay, let's go. this is the finished look for my no makeup look. So basically I just put concealer at the center of my face. Obviously this just depends on your skin concerns, like if you have a few spots or blemishes you want to cover up. I don't really put anything on the sides of my face, even though I have a few blemishes, but for me the whole point is to look like I don't have makeup so that you can actually see my skin. So I don't put anything on the sides of my face. You can see my little glow right there, but it kind of just looks like a glow from within type of look. That's kind of the vibe we're going for. So the lashes, I will link them below. They're from Lava Lashes, but I don't remember the type, but they're super tiny. But again, if you have lashes, I would just put mascara on. That's the whole vibe of this look. I have to do brows and lashes because I struggle. But yeah, so I just put the glow on my bridge of my nose, tip of my nose, high points of my cheek. I put it on my eyes and a little bit on my Cupid's bow, again just to like look glowy and fresh. And then I did lashes, brows, and concealer. Oh, and on my lips. This is kind of my nude everyday, and it's from Charlotte Tilbury. Hold on. The lip pencil. This is the best brown I've ever had. It's called Lip Cheat, and it's in Pillow Talk 3 Intense. That is the color. And then the lip gloss is also Pillow Talk. This is like one of their best-selling lipsticks, but they just came out with a lip gloss. And it just says Pillow Talk. So it's just the Pillow Talk lip gloss, and I think I have like the little travel one, but that is everything. Hey guys, so we are gonna go to the store now. So I'm probably gonna end the vlog here. We need to get a few more essentials. And luckily we have a grocery store downstairs. Hopefully they still have some stuff. Because we think there's gonna be basically like they're gonna close everything down. They still haven't done that in Virginia. They did it in DC, but I live right outside of DC. So I think that's gonna happen pretty soon. So we just want to stock up on a few more things. But again, I hope you guys are doing well, staying safe, washing your hands, and please leave me any suggestions below of content that you want to see that would be helpful during this time, especially if you are spending more time at home. So thank you so much for watching. You can tell I'm tired. I'm very tired, but thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. See ya.